Hey guys, it's the Learning Tiger here, and in this HTML tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys about ordered lists. Now, an ordered list is another type of list. Uh, after, I taught you guys, unordered list. So after that, it's the ordered list. Now, what is an ordered list? Okay, an ordered list is say, no, it's also a list, like an unordered, but except that the sequence of list items it matters. It's it is like important in an ordered list. So, and except for instead of the bullet points, like in the unordered list, well, it's going to be numbers. Yeah, so it's going to be like number orders. So like one, two, three. So yeah, look, the syntax is OL then slash OL. Yeah, it stands for ordered list. So yeah, remember that in unordered list we had UL, but yeah, here we have OL. And same thing as the my last video in the unordered list to create a list. You just simply put li. Li. Yes. Li backslash li. Li backslash li. Now, what can you put in an unordered list? Well, how can you use it? Now, if you want to make like a to-do list, yeah, or you want to create some instructions on how to do something on your website, you could do that with an ordered list. And maybe if you guys are into cooking, yeah, you could uh, create like an online cookbook or yeah, with like steps for the recipe. But yeah, well, what I'm gonna put is yeah in this tutorial is some some type of instructions from my website. So let's get to it. Well, what should I call this? Just say how to download, 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 oh my, download a game. How to download a game? Yeah. Some of you yeah, play video games. It should be free. Free, yeah. So, how to download a game? Oh, go to, I don't know if I should capitalize, but go to Steam. It's the URL. I don't know if I should capitalize, but go to steam.com. Yep. Browse a game you want. Click on that game. Click, click. I'll just put click download since it's not really like it. It's just an example of like an ordered list. So I don't not like it. It's not like accurate thing that says click download. If you're on Steam, you 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 have you the Steam account and you download games there, download and play games. So click download and you have it. Enjoy. Save this. Okay, here it is. Yeah, how to download a game. So yeah, you have a the sequence. Yeah, it matters here in an ordered list. So one, two, three. Let me start over. Yeah, one, two, or three, four, and five. Sorry. So yeah, we told it that you know go to Steam.com. First step. Number one. Number two is yep, browse the game you want. Number three is click on that game, click download, and you have it. The last one is enjoy. Yeah, so yeah, this LA tells us that first, LOL will tell us that what type of list, and it's an ordered list, like numerical values. So one, two, three, four, five. And then there's the lists, the lists. Yeah. Now, now this is a default, like one, two, three, four, five. This is the default for an ordered list. What if you want to go with, more, detailed or something? Well, there's six there are different types of numbering types. Now, I'm not gonna go over in this tutorial, but when I get into CSS styling, yeah, I'll go over more on the six different types of numbering. So, yeah, that'd be all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you're new, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.